gets it bin out of there. That will work. Strong. We throw away anyway. Yes. Work. This looks suspicious. What is that? Somebody? That thing doesn't fit to the truck. Who put that here? This thing does not fit in the truck. Somebody stick it there. Somebody stuck it there where it doesn't belong. If this flies on a highway, it can kill anybody. This does not belong to a truck. This is no fun. It's not a game. Somebody just stuck it there where it doesn't belong, and I don't know what it is. Some people do stupid things. You have to look at the truck carefully to make sure nothing flies on the highway and kills people. Shoot. On this side, this massive structure from here, this entire structure, almost 1/5 of the width of the truck, from here to here. This is a filter, that ceramic filter. It has on it, as you see at the bottom, it has a heater. On the bottom, it has all these sensors. It's controlled by the computer. It has, if you look carefully here, you'll find the thermal insulation. This is a ceramic fiberglass insulation, because this thing gets up to 500 degrees temperature during the regeneration. It's a massive structure to prevent the soot or the carbon, the nitrogenous and toxins from escaping to the atmosphere. If you look carefully, this is the exhaust tube coming from the muffler exhaust exit of the inlet. It goes into right here inside the ceramic filter. It has a soot sensor or an oxygen sensor or some kind of electronic sensors that determine how much saturation of soot is in the exhaust. It goes through this inside the ceramic filter. The ceramic filter has pores in it, and it heats it. It mixes it with the diff. With the diff, when you mix the diff with the exhaust of the engine, it's like the kidney. You convert the nitrogenous compounds into carbon dioxide or into nitrogen, ammonia. Or there is an equation of how to convert the protein of the body by the kidney into urea, so it becomes less toxic. Imagine how massive that filter from here to here. When you get it, when you open this stuff, take the entire structure on the ground. It is a massive ceramic filtration of the gases or exhaust gases. After you process it, if you look under, under here, right here. This is where the exhaust tube comes out, right under the truck. If you put your hand on it, or you put a piece of paper on it, you are not going to find a single particle of carbon coming out. Almost very clean air. It took them over 120 years to come up with this technology of how to keep clean environments. Because it's a lunch break, and the shipper is at lunch, so I can spend some time looking at the truck. At least I got something out of it. I got this tube out of it. I don't know what this tube is supposed to do. Let me show you. We open the hood. Of course, this is the cooling side. The cooling side, where you have the hot water goes in, the hot water comes out to the radiator, and the cold water goes in. And the air intake is from this side. The other side is where the exhaust system. That is a turbo. A turbo means a fan that mixes the intake air. Am I correct? Well, here is the intake air, here is the turbo, and here is the exhaust, and all these are the sensors. The sensors on the exhaust tube. The exhaust goes back to the ceramic filter. If you follow this tube under the truck, right there, you follow it, it will come all the way here. It enters the ceramic filter where it is filtered out of the nitrogenous and the carbohydrate or carbonated or carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is not a problem because you mix carbon monoxide, you mix it with air here, with oxygen, it becomes carbon dioxide. The problem with the NO, nitrogen oxides, that are carcinogenic. You have to get rid of them by mixing them with the diff. That is to make clean air. That is an oil filter. No, this is a filter for the air conditioning or the drying air. I forgot exactly what it is.